So our investigation thus far has told us this is what's going on with two ints and this is what's going on with two longs, and that leaves us pondering, what if we had three long longs? And that's an easy thing to test. Let's go ahead and queue up our three long longs with leafless boldface affected oddballs and besotted deadbeat. Compile that, no new assembly instructions, but three instances of that sequence OEPC add I and load dword. So of course these are going to be pulling in these 64-bit values via the load dword. But what happens with the stack? That's what you need to figure out. Go ahead and queue it up, fill in your template if you'd like with the starting values, or just go ahead and jump into your debugger and start seeing where the stack starts when the code starts, where the stack is manipulated, where it is, what's the subtraction from the starting point, what are the values written where, and go ahead and draw your stack diagram, and then take a look at the two long longs versus three long longs and start to get a sense of what's going on.